Hi folks, St. Paul Steam here, my latest addition to the shop. I picked this up Friday after work and it was in horrendous shape, and I did a full-blown nuclear restoration, I like to call it, on it. And here's the finished product. It's a Jensen 20G, and this is a riveted boiler. I put the boiler on there. It wasn't that way factory, but this has got to be one of the better ones I've ever had here. Running on slightly over 1 pound pressure. And it pretty much does it equally in both directions. Gotta love it. Anyway, so there's a beautiful Jed P boiler. Everything's been touched on this. Totally took down the cast iron base, and we put a couple of oilers in each one of them. They're functional, and as you can see, she's a brass tagger, probably close to my birthday. I'm guessing it's around the early 60s. I'm very pleased with it. It came to me in a really a state. I had to make the smokestack support and the smokestack for it, and it didn't have a heater in it. And we did all that. Right now it's running on compressed air because I just don't want to steam it yet because it's so pretty. But you can see she's an older model, that eccentric. Even got a little groove in there for the spring. Spring was missing also. It has straight handled levers, but the whistle, the skinny snowman type, doesn't seem too uncommon for Jensen. But she is a tight one. I mean, you can just tell when you click that throttle off. It's tight, and so is the throttle. Let's hook the generator up. I'll be right back. It runs it easily. Be right back. Okay, we got the throttle hooked up, or the generator hooked up now. That's 4 pounds. And she's making light at right about 6. That's 6 pounds. Really fine runner. This one picks up on its own, more than most of them I've had. Yeah. Well, okay. You have a nice big brass lug in there for the chimney. Really happy with it. Everything's been restored on this. Cast iron base is sanded, bead blasted down, repainted. Magnet. Oilers. Bunch of oilers. Beautiful riveted boiler. On the generator is now a transmission as well. Try to click on that. Alright folks, thanks for looking. As always, I appreciate it. Have a great day. Bye now.